In the world of high-performance sliding doors, you've probably heard of the lift and slide door, which is an amazing product that can be built to some huge sizes. We actually just built one that was 24.5 feet wide by 9.5 feet tall. Well, there's also the parallel slider, which has its own distinct advantages and design considerations. It can be built as a sliding window, or it could also be built as a sliding door. The parallel slider is super airtight. It has a compression seal on all 4 sides, and it's a great solution for when you are installing it as a sliding window over a countertop or over a desk, and you just let the sash gently slide to the fixed side. It is also a great solution as a door for a more affordable sliding door option. Now, one thing you want to take into consideration is, you remember we talked about how it has that compression seal on all 4 sides. Well, it achieves that with a high threshold. So when designing that parallel slider for yourself as a door, that's something we're going to want to take into consideration. Now, it opens like this, just pops out and slides across on the rails. It could also be opened in tilt mode or just in nighttime ventilation mode. And when I bring it back in, it's gonna just suck itself in, and we just turn the handle and lock it. The parallel sliding door.